When adding a file to a shared folder, first thing you do is go to Shared with Me, and you'll see the folder that was shared with you. In this case, this Persuasive Essay folder. I know that I want to put that into, let's say, my third grade folder. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to click on My Drive. I'm going to click the little triangle right here to open it up. And I'm going to see that I have my teaching folder, and I have this little triangle. So I'll move that there. Now I see my destination, let's say third grade. What I'm going to do is I'm going to press and hold on this, and I'm going to move it into my third grade folder. And I see that I've got that blue bar across it, so I know that it's going to drop it in there. Now it doesn't take it out of shared with me because it's still shared with me, but you can see that I have this little shortcut right here that tells me it's a shortcut to that place. So now when I come in here, I see that I have this Persuasive third grade folder. Now it still says it's shared with me because technically it is, but if I click on third grade, my actual third grade folder, I could actually see that it's right there, and I see that has the shortcut telling me it's a shared folder. It's different than this folder right here that says Persuasive Essays because A, it's named something different, but also B, I don't have that shortcut icon. Shortcut icon means that that is what you have that shared with you. So now if you wanted to put something into that folder, let's say it's in your Screencastify folder, you would do essentially the same thing. You would come down and find your Screencastify folder. And let's say I go in here, and once it loads, let's say I want to take this one as an example. Same idea, I have my folder is open, I've got my little triangle, so it's down, collapsed, expanded, it's expanded. I'm going to open up my teaching folder, and then I'm going to open up third grade. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take it, I see that folder, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop it in my third grade folder first. So I'm moving it out of Screencastify into this third grade folder. So in your case, you can put it into your writing folder. Then I could take this, and now that it's there, now I can drop it in. And you notice it's going to tell me that that's changing it because it's moving it from my writing folder to this shared folder, which is fine. So we're going to move it. Now in here is my item, but if this is shared with a group of people like it is, you're going to want to make sure this is actually named correctly. So I'm going to click on it, and go to the three dots, and I'm going to click rename because I want to make sure it's named for me. So I'm going to call it Persuasive Essay Mr. Casal. That's how I know that it's mine. So that way everyone will have the word Persuasive Essay, then dash their name. That's how we're going to differentiate different students' files in this folder. So each class will have their own Persuasive Essay folder. You will do exactly like I did a minute ago. You will go to Shared with Me. You will find it. You will open up my drive. You will drag this folder to your writing folder. You will then drag your Screencastify from the Screencastify folder to your writing folder, and then add it into this Persuasive Essay folder for your class, making sure that you rename this file. When you click on it to rename it, click it once, three dots, rename. And that's how you can add your Persuasive video to the shared class folder. Thank you.